for the basketball athletes. Okay, one of the exercises is overhead squat, which looks something like this. Okay, cues that we're looking for. Okay, feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Okay, bar position or use of a band or a light bar on the shoulders. Okay, hand position wider than shoulder width, and this here. Okay, from there, I'm going to press the dip and press the bar overhead. Thinking about pulling the bar apart and squeezing the shoulder blades together. Elbow straight. From there, chest out, big breath in. Okay, and then breaking at the hips, descending down, keeping the bar behind the head. Coming back up, hips through. Looking to get top of the thigh parallel. Looking to keep that bar behind the head all the time, so if we draw a line from the bar, it'll be going through the base of my foot, heel, and not over the toes. Some of the things that you'll see when your athletes are performing this is you'll see either the toes turned out too far, side to side. Okay, so it ends up like a squatting pattern there where the knees are going out. Other things we'll see is too narrow a squat stance, okay, which will limit how deep they can get. Other mistakes you'll see is the arms slightly bent so the elbows are not locked, so they'll squat down from there. Other things you'll see is a lack of flexibility in the shoulder and tight chest, so that when they squat, the bar position ends up here. Okay, so the ways of thinking of correcting these is making sure that we get feet position correctly set up. Okay, so feet wider shoulder width, toes slightly turned out, chest out. Okay, think about punching the bar up and back. Okay, and the cues: chest out, sitting down, and making sure the bar's kept behind the head.